see everybody's favorite, Kappa. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, yes, please. Sweet. There's some heavy boys. Holy crap. You can look, but you can't touch. Oh, man. There you go, Jimbo scrapper. This wannabe stainless steel grill. Yeah. Well, here's how it ain't stainless. Sticks. Most of the time it's the handles, but in this case, it all sticks. You always want to pull the knobs off just in case. That's not brass, but on the good quality brands or the older ones, these are brass. And they're easy to pull off, easy to disassemble, and brass prices are up, so. So the only thing left is the, wherever the propane is, hooks up the regulator. That's got a piece of brass. And then you have the cast regulator part right there. Right, let's get the cam right there. So we'll cut that. Looks like free to me. It's all ripped apart. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. This thing must be full. No scraps left behind. It's gonna bind on me. Yep. Nope. Come on, baby. You want to go to the scrapyard? There we go. I don't need no freaking expensive winch. I don't need no expensive trailers. Gotta use the brain and think a little bit. Get it over the axles, and we're good. Oh, there it goes. All right. Let's see what it weighed. Oof. Gas aluminum. Look at that motor. That's a big motor. Good comparison there. I'll be a little bit of money in that. Still sitting there, Scrappy and Scorpion. Waiting for that 500 or 1,000. Come on, man, let's get it together. You come down next fall and we'll break it down. Look at this payday right here. Doggy. Man, I'd love to come across something like that. What it weigh, what it pay for that Pepsi machine. 820 pounds, 10 cents a pound for $82. Plus there was $81 inside it. And some sodas. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out, and check out Jimbo Scrapper and Scrap and Scorpion too. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.